How to turn off groups notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off groups notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down until you find settings, click on it, and here just click notifications, and now here you will find groups, click on it and then click turn everything off, and now just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.